Hello everyone, welcome back again. This is Jesse, and then in today's tutorial I'm showing you how to add Nodejs, right? To add JavaScript to your Jupyter lab or Jupyter notebook. Okay, so first of all, you see that I'm having only 3 kernels here. So to add JavaScript or Node.js to your Jupyter lab, just go with, first of all, you need to install Node.js. So you go to the official website nodejs.org, then you click on the recommended for most users, this one or this one, right? So I prefer this one. You click on it and install it. So after installing it, just open your terminal, then you can check for node version to see your version. Just going to tell me that I'm running 8.91, right? Okay, so when you have node comes with what we call node package manager npm. So it is there with the npm that you're going to install your kernel. Go to npm install g, that is for global, then you enter ijavascript, right? So it's going to download ijavascript for us. Okay, so just finished installing for us. So nice with the version, so I have to upgrade it. I'll upgrade it later. So now after installing, just go with ijs install. So now it has already installed it. So if I open my Jupyter lab, my Jupyter notebook, which is already running, and then I'm going to refresh it, right? It's already here, so I'm going to refresh it. The moment I refresh it, it's going to add that one to it for us. Wow, so now it is here, right? So that is how to do it. So now my Node.js is here, so I can actually run JavaScript inside my Jupyter lab or Jupyter notebook. Let me expand it, make it big, so I can just do console.log, say hello.js, right? So if I run it, it's actually going to work for us perfectly, right? See that it's working perfectly. So that is one thing. So I can even do something. So var math, go to math require math.js, which is very powerful system for doing mathematics in this, right? Then I can do math.square root. Let's say what the value 49.7, right? It's working perfectly. And even do math.matrix, then form a matrix of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then it's going to build a matrix for us. So perfect. So that means that everything is actually working. So thank you for watching. If you have any question or contribution, you can just put inside the comment section so that everybody can benefit. Please don't forget to share and subscribe. Stay blessed.